Welcome back everyone to another video, and in this video I wanted to just simply walk you through everything I literally have to offer you and the community. And I've started this channel about 2 years ago, and I've never actually sat down and walked you through all the products that I have to offer, what exactly I do, and how exactly I can help you along your investor journey. And that's exactly what I'm going to do on this video. And I know for those people who are watching this video, you are very serious investors because you clicked on this video. You want to know how I can help you. And so if you watched right till the end of the video, I have a special offer for you guys. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing I do is I run a YouTube channel. I do about 2 videos weekly, and I do that every single week. And I've been doing that consistently for the past 2 years now. We've amassed a community of around 3,800 subscribers, close to 150, 140 videos, and they all range from suburb breakdowns to keeping you updated about new rental laws. I compare suburbs, I talk about general video topics regarding property, and that's exactly what I do. I'm specific to the property niche. I talk about different suburbs every single week on a daily basis as well, without gatekeeping any of the knowledge. I show you the data, I show you the numbers, the facts, etc. right through this video. And you can scroll back and you can have a look at my channel from the day dot that I started. My first ever video that I've ever done was about Gladstone. I talked about Grafton, I talked about Armadale, Melbourne, all about 18 to 24 months. And you guys can go and watch those videos because it's important to understand what I was thinking back then and how you can also apply that in today's day and age. And there's also educational content, suburb breakdowns, specific suburb videos under 500k, etc. and more. And when I started this YouTube channel, there really was properties under 450, under 500k, and there was an abundant amount of them. Now, fast forward 2 years, there really isn't that many anymore, unfortunately, but there are still good investment opportunities out there. Now, the next thing I do for the property community is I actually run a completely free newsletter. All you have to do is simply sign up, and I talk about different topics almost every single week. I used to do this a bit more consistently, but nowadays I do it more when I have something to talk about, when I have a serious issue that I want to advise the community about, such as the RBA lifting rates, or whether or not there's a market shift happening, whether or not Melbourne becomes a two-speed market, or whether or not I want to talk about a specific suburb. In fact, when you go back through my articles, I talked about a different location every single week, and I still do that every now and then. And this is a completely free newsletter, guys. So what you really should be doing is you should be subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can be updated on the property market about specific suburbs and locations. And then you need to go subscribe to my completely free newsletter. If there's anything you're going to do, you need to do those two things to stay up to date and beat 99% of investors out there, because this is how you can get educated out on property for absolutely free. And you can click into the articles and you can have a read of them as well in your own free time. Now I want to talk about some of the products that I actually sell towards the community. Now, one of the biggest products, and so I would say my hero product in quotation marks, is the community. Now, I have built a private community for investors who want to help each other and get helped by me on a daily basis. Now, when you join the private community, you will land on a page like this where there is a welcome to under 450k, where it runs through all the sort of important information that you will need and to get the most out of this membership. It's literally $35 a month, guys. It is an absolute bargain. It's one of the most beneficial property communities out there. But let me show what you get for your money. Now, there's a few onboarding and admin stuff you to do and to get you started with the Discord community, which you can walk through and watch the videos of. It's a very detailed video. It shows you step by step on how to join the private community. Now, under the learn section, I have a suburb watch list, which I release every quarter in 2026, going through different locations and helping you understand which locations fit your strategy and your risk profile. I also upload early YouTube content, which is uploaded about a fortnight to a month in advance sometimes, or where my community members will get the information much earlier compared to my YouTube members, simply because they are paying a membership fee and they're supporting me as well, helping me create these videos, which does take a lot of time, resources, and money to do. Now, what I will say that is very beneficial for a lot of community members, even if you join once, is simply the access to the advanced property resources, which includes letter templates, how to choose the right tenants, how to know if reached its suburb limit, etc. etc. I go through a variety of different topics and information that helps you become a better investor very, very quickly and helps you speed up the process of finding your investment property. Now, we also have the community calls. We run these weekly to fortnightly. They are recorded and uploaded to the platform, which you can go in and have a watch of. Sometimes we have special guest sessions where we talk about people's success stories, as well as, where we have a broker who comes on and helps the community out as well, helping with financing and runs community calls as well. Now, these are run every so often, not as frequent as a fortnightly or monthly basis, but they are still done when important information needs to be talked about. Then we also have exclusive content and resources of suburb breakdowns, more videos about overlays, analysis paralysis, and more available at your fingertips for a fraction of the price of what normal people charge. And then on top of that, we also have the property templates and links and resources, which helps investors fast track their investment journey. But it's not only about all the resources you get for such a cost-effective method. Once you join the private community, you'll get access to a variety of different information where we talk about different topics, different suburbs on a daily basis. You can ask a mortgage broker. We have a structural engineer within the community helping people identify issues within their house and building and pest reports to help you get the most out of it. We go through different property deals. We talk about negotiation tactics. We talk about issues that renters are facing. We talk about issues where they are related to tenancy and more. We have specific SMSF channel as well as success stories where you can see community members actually succeeding in their property purchases and more. And I'm always constantly asking for improvement and feedback so I can help make this a better community. And so this is an active community where people are talking on a daily basis, helping each other identify the best locations to invest into, guys, right? We have this estate chats where we talk about different locations specific to its state. And that's a very, very quick, brief rundown of the community, its resources, as well as the Discord channel, showing how much value there is in a very cost-effective product. And even if you try it out for a month, I know you guys will get hooked. So I'm just going to leave it at that and show you that is exactly what you get and what I like to call my hero product, a service that I provide the community. Now, the last product I want to talk about, and that is, if you want to go one step further, is the education program that I do provide. Now, this one is a absolute gem of a course that I have developed over a significant amount of months, where we go through the entire property journey of going through every single thing that you can think of when it comes to related to property, from mindset to property fundamentals to suburb evaluation to tax strategies, negotiation tactics, and property acquisition. There's over 60 plus videos and hours of content, 8 in-depth modules, and real-life case studies, as well as practical tutorials available at your fingertips, guys, right? And then you also get 1 month access to that private community that I was talking about. And you'll get all of that for a very affordable price point of $349. And when there's buyers agents and other property gurus charging tens of thousands of dollars for courses and services, I'm just trying to make this property education space just that little bit more affordable, so the average person doesn't want to spend thousands of dollars on course, can spend just hundreds to get into the course and get educated, right? And you can see that this is the course right here for you guys, where it goes through the introduction, you can understand, and every single video is in bite-sized chunks, in 5-10 minute videos max, so that you can work through at your own pace and time. There's a PDF download for almost every single video, and you'll find this absolutely beneficial and more. And so this is the step where, if you want to start taking your journey extremely seriously, that you want to get educated about property, but you don't want to spend thousands of dollars, this is where that course is able to help you, right? It's that step further from the community, but you'll also get the private mentorship because you get 1 month access when you purchase the course as well. Now, if you do purchase the course, it's a lifetime access to the education material. You get 1 month access to the private community, and then you can continue to choose whether or not you want to stay in the community or not. It just makes it an affordable option without having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars for a different course or a buyer's agency service. And so I hope that really has helped you understand the products that I offer, the services that I can help you with. Now, there are additional services, but I don't want to go through each one of them. All I want you guys to know is that I have a community. It's built by an investor for other investors, and I have a course simply to make education of property affordable. And if you don't want any of that, then just subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I help people on a daily basis, guys, right? By simply creating these videos, exposing where the best locations to invest are. Just to stay updated to the market, you have nothing to lose by hitting that subscribe button, leaving a like on my videos, and and just supporting me, because we have created this amazing community of people, of property investors, simply making each other more educated by sharing knowledge. Property was such a gated space 2 years ago, and it's no longer the case. I'm seeing more buyers agents, more YouTubers speaking about property and suburbs. It makes me extremely passionate and happy that that is happening in this space. And as long as I'm able to make videos and I'm interested in property, I'm going to keep helping you guys out. So leave a comment down below. I will always appreciate any support I get. And if you have any questions about anything, please leave it down in the comments and I will assist as much as I can. Till next time, thank you very much, guys.